Hey guys, grade 11, 12 vocal. What's up? Um, I am going to teach you today how to use Sountrap, which is going to allow us to sing together in a choral setting. And this does not have video. The really good thing about this is that you don't need a Mac, you don't need GarageBand. You can do it on your phone. It's very user friendly and it's TDSB approved. Woohoo! Okay, so I've sent you an invitation. This is the exact email I sent you. Keep this email for later. Okay, we're going to use it. Look at it now. I'm clicking on the link that I sent you. Please be patient. All right, here is our song, Our House grade 11, 12 vocal. And this is what it will look like most likely when it comes up for you, okay? So what you can see here is a track, okay? So this is the piano track. I'll just press play. Okay, there's the piano track. And if you want to go back to the beginning, you're going to click on this. Okay, down there. Okay. What you're going to do is it's pretty easy. I'm actually going to delete this. We're going to just start from the beginning. Okay. We are going to see here, add a new track. Okay. I'm going to click on that. We're going to do voice and microphone. Okay. Because we're not plugging anything in. So this is our voice. I don't like this window here. It confuses me. So I'm going to close it and then just see this. Okay. So this is our track where our part is going to be recorded. It is highly recommended to use headphones. I'm not going to use headphones right now, but I would use headphones if I were you. You're going to go down to the record button. Here we go. Oh, it says use headphones. I'm not using them, but you should. Getting ready to record. I'll light the fire while you place the flowers in the yard. Oh shoot, I forgot the words. Okay, let's say that happens, which will totally happen. There's my track. I'm going to go back, listen to it. I'll light the fire while you place the flowers in the yard. Okay, I don't like that. I click on that. Okay, delete it, done. You're always going to move this back to the beginning of the track. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's it. I want to just show you a couple more things. Let's say, okay, I'm going to record again, and then let's say I make a mistake, but I don't want to record the entire song over. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll light the fire, and you place the flowers in the vase that you bought today. Such a lonely school. What? Lonely school? Oh no, okay, that's not right. Oops. Okay, but I don't want to start at the beginning. Let's say I recorded half the song and I liked it, but I don't want to start again. Okay, so what you can do is we go, right? You can erase that. Let me hear exactly. Okay, this part's good, no problems. Okay, I heard a little S in there, so I want to go just a little bit more. Okay, I want to start recording right there. Okay, let's say I want to do that. You just move this little guy here, right there. Staring at the fire for hours and hours as I listen to you sing, play your love song. Okay, whatever. There you go. There are my tracks. You can do it as many times as you want till you're happy with it. Eventually, what is going to happen is we are going to have the whole class down here, okay? All of us are going to add tracks to this, and we're going to be able to record ourselves as a class. I will mix you, okay? So you can turn up and down the volume here. So let's say someone's really loud, they're really close to their microphone, whatever. I'll mix them a little quieter so nobody sticks out, and I'll try to make it good. The last really important thing is I want you to name your tracks, okay? So you're going to click on the three little button, the little dots, not buttons. And I'm gonna name it with my name, okay? And I want you guys all to do that so I can see who is who. I can see that you've done it, whatever, okay? And that's it. I think this is gonna work for us. What I need to happen now is you need to save it, okay? So I click, see this purple save button, and this is how, don't go out of it or do anything other than that, and that should work. Now I can see your one with the track on it, and all the other people who are invited into this project can see it. Okay, I'm just gonna erase my tracks. Actually, I'm just gonna delete my whole track. There we go. Okay, so that's it. I think that this is gonna work for us. Obviously there will be questions. I will try to answer them. But let's try to record our first choral song. Exciting. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.